In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to purchase soda, whether that be Pepsi Cola or Coca-Cola, out of a vending machine like this, using nothing but change. Now, I have made one previously on how to use it with a credit card, and I'll link that at the end of this video. But basically, it looks like this with a credit card. The only thing you have to do is tap it with your little chip card reader right there, and you just tap it, and then you just follow the procedure. Or you can use this strip, which you can see right here. You just strip down kind of like not too fast but not too slow, like medium, and it should read it. All right, but we're going to be using change. Now, as you can see here with my sodas, I don't have that much of a selection, but if it's in a can like this, it's only 12 ounces. If it's in it'll be a metal can. But as you can see here, this is actually a 20-ounce bottle, which is a lot. 20 ounces is a lot more than 12 ounces. Well, this actually might be a can because I noticed that they marked that out. So I might be getting a can here. But to see how much one would cost, the only thing I have to do is press on it. So for example, if I press on this 12 ounce here, Sprite, it's going to show me how much it costs, which is $1. If I do this, Coke, it's going to show $1. Now, with this 20 ounce, it should be more, but it's not. So I'm thinking that that's actually a can, that they just didn't mark it right. So we're right now in an apartment complex. That's why it's so cheap. It's only $1. But if you were to be at a mall or an airport, let's say, you're looking at more like $3 or $5. And so the good thing about it is it's only going to cost me $1 US that looks like this. But I'm going to be using change, pocket change, to buy mine. Now, unfortunately, this is not working. So as you can see there, I'm putting it in there, and that shows you the direction that your bill is supposed to go on. So it's supposed to be like this, and you're supposed to be able just to put it in there. And what it'll do is it'll be a machine mechanism that takes it in. It'll read it, and then you make your selection. But we're going to be using change here. And I got quarters, but also got dime and a nickel. So, as you can see here, here is the quarter, and I got 4 of these bad boys, 4 quarters. Let's see if I look it up here. So, there's 1 quarter, which is worth 25 cents. Second quarter is worth 25 cents. Another quarter is 25 cents and 25. So 4 times 25 is $1. So that's what I'm going to be using to get my drink. Now, as you can see here, here's a dime, which is worth 10 cents. So I would need 10 of these, or here's a nickel. So I would need a nickel times what? 20? Yeah, like 20 to get a soda. Or I can mix and match. I could use 2 quarters if I have them, and then 5 dimes, let's say. So let's go ahead and get our drink. 4 quarters. And let's go ahead and feed it here. And as I'm putting it in there, it should read right here. See there, 25 cents. 25 cents. Another quarter. And then my last quarter. So $1. I'm going to try to get this 20 ounce, but I bet that's a can. Yeah, I knew it. It was a can. Which is fine. So $1 here at this apartment complex got me a Coke Zero. I love this one. It's got 0 sugar, but it almost tastes like a regular Coke. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe. And tell me in the comment section what drink are you buying. Are you buying a Sprite? You buying a Pepsi? Buying a Coke? Let me know.